Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Please, if it is your first time viewing, consider to subscribe to this channel so that anytime I load an exciting video, you'll be notified. Now let's solve this question together. Now look at what you're given on the board. We're given that x to the power of s equals to what? 64. We are asked to find the value of x. Now this problem is very simple and interesting. We know that there's nothing we can raise, okay, that will be in x to the power of s that will be in the same number to give us x. So what are we going to do? Aware about Lambda W function. Lambda W function will help us a lot. Also called the omega. Okay, will help us a lot. For those of you that have not learned about Lambda W function, pay attention of this video because I want to tell you all the whole secrets about what Lambda W function. Note that Lambda W function is also known as what? Omega what? Omega. Okay, the omega. Okay, so let's consider this question on the board. Now, what you are going to do, our first step, what you are going to do, we are going to put 64 in index form. Remember that 4 times 4 into 3 places is what? 64. So consider this is what? S to the power of what? S is equals to what? 4 raised to the power of what? 3. 4 raised to the power of 3 simply means 4 times 4 into 3 places, which is what? 64. Our second step, what you are going to do, you are going to take the what? Natural logarithm. The difference between what? Logarithm in base 10 and natural what? We have natural we have logarithm and natural logarithm. Natural logarithm are always in base e, whereby logarithm are always in what? Base 10. Please take note. Natural logarithm are always in base e. Logarithm are always in base 10. So we're going to take what? The natural logarithm of what? Both sides. That's our second step. Okay. So we take the natural logarithm of both sides. That means that becomes what? N of what? S to the power of what? X is equals to n of what? 4 raised to the power of what? 3. Now note that natural logarithm and logarithm have the same word polarity. What did I mean? They have the, so they are obeying the same law. Remember that we have what? Log m to the power of what? P to base a. Look at log m to the power of p base a is equals to p multiplied by log m base what? Base a. They are obeying what? The same law. So if you are having link what? Link 4 raised to the power of 3 base e. So this power here will go back to multiply the link. Don't forget. And also this power will go back to multiply the law. They have the same polarity. They are obeying the same law. Okay. So this power will go back to multiply the law. This 3 will go back to multiply the link. Okay. So now this is what? S link what? Link s equals to 3 link what? Link 4. Okay. What are we going to do here? You can see that there's nothing we can do. That is why Lambda W function is going to help us a lot in this problem. The use of Lambda W function sometimes makes some homogeneous problem so interesting and so simple to solve. What did I mean by homogeneous? Some harder question. Lambda W function will help us a lot. So look at what you are going to do. I want you to understand that in Lambda W function, if you have what? If you have the W function of what? E raised to the power of x multiplied by s is equals to what? X. These are one of the properties of what? Lambda what? W function. And again, that x is equals to e raised to the power of what? Link x. Please don't forget. If I simplify this, I'm going to have x. Okay. If you really observe this, you know that by one of the properties of logarithm, that if you have what? If you have 10 raised to the power of what? Log what? Log x is equals to what? 10. Okay. Let's see. Yes, it's equals to x. Sorry, it's equals to x. If you observe very well, because the base here is what? Is 10. So one of the properties of logarithm say that this is raised to the power of log s to the base of 10. So it's what? It just give us x. That's what you're having. Remember the base here is e, and if here 10 here is equals to e here, and 10 here is equals to e here, and we're having log and we're having natural logarithm. So the outcome will be x. That's why you're having x. So please consider obeying the law of logarithm when solving problem. We find it very simple and interesting because some people will be wondering why is it that s is equals to link e raised to the power of link s. So I'm trying to prove it to you. Okay, so let's remove this and go back to what we have on the board. But I want you to understand that s is equals to what? Link e raised to the power of link x. Okay, fine. So these are the things we have to take note of in what? Lambda what? W what? Function. They are very key concepts you have to understand. Now in place of s, we know that x is equals to e raised to the power of link s. In place of x here, we're going to have that this is what? E raised to the power of link x, okay, multiplied by link what? Link x, right? Link s equals to 3 link what? Link 4. Okay, now we are obeying this law. Which law? We are obeying what? This law, because s equals to e raised to power link s, and in place of s we substitute what? E raised to power link s. Okay, now we're going to take the Lambert W function of both sides. So the Lambert W function of what? E raised to power what? Link s multiplied by link what? Link s is equals to the Lambert W function of what? 3 link what? 4. Okay, now let's also obey these other properties. He said that the Lambert W function of e raised to power s multiplied by s equals to x. That means the Lambert W function of e raised to power link s multiplied by link s will just give us what? Link s. Since here was x and we are having outcome of s, and since our exponent here is link s, so we outcome with what? Link s. Okay, so equals to what? The Lambert W function of what? 3 link what? Link 4. Okay, so we can remove this. Let's remove this a little bit. Okay, now we know that this link we are seeing is in what? Is in base e. That means e raised to the power of this will give us x. Okay, that means x will be equals to e raised to the power what? The Lambert W function of what? 3 link what? Link what? Let me make it clearly. Let me do it here. That means x is equals to e raised to the power what? S is equals to e raised to the power what? The Lambert W function of what? 3 link what? Link 4. Okay, so most calculators do not have this Lambert W function, but s is equals to this. And if you check in that calculator, there's one calculator you can plot this value in, and it will give the value of this value you are plotted in. Now what you have to do for me is to check the comment section, because I'm going to drop that value in the comment section of this video. Okay, check in the comment section of this video. I'm going to drop the value, but note that x, this implies that our s is equals to e raised to the power what? The Lambert W function of what? 3 link what? Link 4. And this is the solution to this particular problem. So check comment section of this video. I'm going to drop the value of the solution. Okay, but you note that s is equals to what? E raised to the power what? Lambert W function of what? 3 link what? 4. And this is the solution to this particular